This video is brought to you by Thermaltake, ADATA and XPG. What's going on, guys? Anders here to that Thermaltake booth in Taipei Game Show where they're celebrating their 20th anniversary. So let's go ahead and take a look to all the new stuff that they have to show. So as I say in the beginning of the video, Thermaltake is celebrating their 20th anniversary, and for that they bring 4 PC modes using their newest level 20 PC cases. And even though we didn't know which components are inside of these PC modes, we can tell that they are really cool. First off, we have the level 20 limited edition, which came with a silver and white color theme with a water cooling system build that can amaze everyone. Then we have the level 20 XT and level 20 GT. Both cases has tempered glass on the top, front and the sides. They also come with a water cooling system, and the only difference between them is that the GT version has a mirror on the front panel that makes a kind of infinite lighting effects once you turn on the LEDs. And last but not least, we have the level 10 GT ARGB Black Edition. I like more this version because it looks better and can make the PC build pop up more than the silver version.
Alright guys, so here we are at the Thermaltake gaming setup, and of course we got the Thermaltake gaming chair, we have an RGB gaming desk, the RGB gaming headset stand, and of course gaming mouse pad. And the main thing that we want to look at today is the gaming keyboard from Thermaltake. This one is called the Level 20 Titanium Edition, and of course, as the name indicates, is to celebrate the 20th anniversary of Thermaltake. This keyboard is really cool. It's got a titanium look to it, and it feels nice and heavy, very high quality. It's compatible. Everything is compatible with their RGB software, so you can control everything. You can control the lighting, the effects. You can control what to sync and what not to sync. All right, so this keyboard has got the mechanical switches, and it's got a switch for the volume right here. It's very convenient to operate. And in the back of the keyboard, there's a headphone and mic jack. So everything is very conveniently built into the keyboard. All right, guys, so that's all for this video for the Thermaltake booth at Taipei Game Show. Stay tuned for more Taipei Game Show videos.